Today, I'm going to be taking you with me to see the neighborhood of Belém. Come walk with me on Curry Up and Go in Lisbon. The fastest way to get to Belém would be to take the train and get off right here. Behind me here is the official residence of the President of Portugal, also called the Belém Palace. There's a museum attached as well that you can go into, but today it's closed, so. Okay, taking a little rest here to have my pastiche de Belém I just bought. Many people use these e-scooters as well to get around Lisbon, and especially in this area where there's lots of tourists. Tucked away, almost out of sight, is the Jardim de Belém. It's a botanical garden here. So many beautiful birds and different species. Every jardim in Lisbon, every garden, botanical or otherwise, you will always see a peacock. I don't really have time to go into the garden today, but let me know if you like to see the inside on another video. Now we're just crossing the street to what I think is one of the most beautiful buildings here in Lisbon, the Monastery de Jerónimo. Behind me here you have the Jerónimos Monastery, which holds a museum that's dedicated to archaeological and maritime objects. Behind me here there's a market that happens every Sunday here in the park right across the street from Jerónimos, like a flea market, and artisans sell their wares, antiques and other things. So this is the Belém ferry terminal, and it takes you to the other side of the river, and it's a good way to see Lisbon from an outside perspective, and it's fairly cheap, or really cheap. It's about €2.50 or €3 for one trip across the river. So round trip about €6. Now that we're on the other side of the train tracks, we're really close to the River Tejo, and you will have great vantage points of the river. Sunsets when it's clear out, and also once you get across the tracks, the views are just like out of this world. Check them out. Thank you for joining me here on Curry Up and Go. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and join me next time.